Brass Aerospace is comprised of 3 different companies: Aeromech, Art Brass Aerospace, and ABAF-Imaginetics. All 3 processing facilities are different and complement each other. We have to be creative in our innovation process. We rely a lot on the boots on the ground, in-house training, various competency tests, depending on which area you're working in. A lot of our training and competency is really done boots on the ground, and we try to, as best we can, promote from within. The majority of our hires are entry-level positions, and the current people are promoted up. It's a little bit easier that way for us when the employee has an understanding of what they're going into. We started Art Brass Aerospace with the intent of it being a small company, and then through acquisition we've grown quite a bit. We've acquired commercial facilities as well as aerospace facilities. The ABAF-Imaginetics site and the Aeromech site are all acquisitions in the last couple of years, and these acquisitions have allowed us to be pretty much a complete integrated shop for the metal finishing industries. Finishing preserves the longevity of the part that's going on the aircraft component. A lot of inspection processes go into it too, with the penetrant inspection, and in Seattle you'll see the MagnaFlux inspection. These are non-destructive testing efforts that really help identify the integrity of the parts. Finishing is actually very important for preserving the life and integrity of the component.